Welcome to our water quality monitoring video series, where we will explore its significance and the procedures. Waterwatch is a community water quality monitoring program engaging local communities, catchment groups, landholders and land care groups. Waterwatch's goal is to foster community responsibility in enhancing water quality within our catchments. Waterwatch's primary functions are community engagement and providing data on water quality, water bugs and riparian conditions. This supports an early warning system for riverine health issues through the Catchment Health Indicator Program, or CHIP, which is submitted annually to the ACT government, offering a comprehensive overview of waterway health in the ACT region. The data you collect as a volunteer play a vital role in supporting Waterwatch's production of the CHIP report, which is recognised in the ACT Water Strategy as enhancing knowledge and helping with spatial planning for water and catchment management in our region. As a volunteer, you will receive a water quality testing kit provided by Waterwatch. This kit includes an extendable testing pole with a sampling bottle, a backpack, a waste container, first aid kit, personal protective equipment like safety glasses and gloves, and equipment for the 7 water quality tests you will conduct. Your coordinator will provide in-person training on how to use this kit effectively. These kits are expensive, but they're provided for free, so please take good care of them, keeping them clean and keeping your chemicals up to date. For any issues or low supplies, contact your Waterwatch coordinator for support. Maintain accuracy in your readings by caring for your kit. Rinse your glass vials and tubes thoroughly to avoid residues affecting readings. Keep your paper-based equipment dry to prevent mould and false results. Store the kit indoors in a cool, dry space and avoid leaving it in your car to prevent changes to the chemicals from the heat and sunlight. Sampling times are predetermined, typically on the 3rd weekend of each month. Your coordinator will notify you in advance and offer any necessary support. Continuously test and take notes of any discrepancies or changes, even if they are unusual findings. By participating in water quality testing as a Waterwatch volunteer, you are playing an important role in improving the health of our waterways. Thank you for your dedication and commitment.